Welcome to the best picks. The best cake cooling rack is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any baker's arsenal, playing a crucial role in achieving that perfect, professional finish on your cakes, pastries, and baked goods. A good cooling rack ensures even air circulation around your creations, preventing sogginess and allowing them to cool down evenly and quickly, which is vital for decorating and for the overall texture and stability of your desserts. Without one, you risk condensation forming underneath, leading to a less than ideal presentation and taste, making this simple piece of kitchenware a true game changer for home bakers and seasoned professionals alike. Number 5. Wilton Excelle Elite 3-Tier Cooling Rack. Introducing the Wilton Excelle Elite 3-Tier Cooling Rack, your ultimate baking companion. It's designed to help you cool batches of cookies, cake layers, or finger foods with ease. This must-have baking tool features a sturdy steel construction for lasting durability. Its versatile design makes it perfect for cooling cookies, cakes, and bread. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its easy-to-clean non-stick surface. Simply wipe away crumbs and residue, and it's ready for your next baking adventure. Achieve superior baking results with its grid pattern that promotes proper air circulation. This ensures even cooling and prevents your baked goods from becoming soggy. This cooling rack is a versatile essential for any kitchen. Use it for cooling treats, roasting vegetables, or even dehydrating fruits. Maximize your counter space with its compact, wire design. It's easy to store, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. What we like? This offers incredible versatility with its 3-tier structure, allowing you to cool multiple batches simultaneously. Its non-stick coating ensures effortless cleanup after every use. If you often bake large quantities of cookies or multiple cake layers at once, this is the perfect solution for maximizing your cooling space and efficiency. What people say. The rack is sturdy and holds cakes well. It's easy to clean and doesn't rust. The grid design allows for even cooling. Number 4. Spring Chef 10 by 15-inch stainless steel cooling rack. Introducing the Spring Chef Cooling Rack, crafted from 100% solid 304 stainless steel. Unlike coated racks, ours won't chip, scratch, or release toxins, ensuring your food stays pure and safe. Engineered for supreme durability, this rack is resistant to rust and warping. Its heavy-gauge steel construction guarantees it will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Bake with confidence. It's oven-safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit and fits perfectly in standard jelly roll pans. Achieve perfect results every time you bake. Designed with optimal air circulation in mind, its perfectly spaced grid allows for even cooling and baking. The raised feet ensure proper airflow, maximizing your culinary creations. Cleanup is a breeze with this rack. The grid is easy to clean by hand and is also completely dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. From broiling and roasting to cooling baked goods and decorating treats, this rack does it all. It's the versatile kitchen tool you'll wonder how you ever lived without. What we like? Crafted from solid 304 stainless steel, this rack is built to last without chipping or rusting, and it's even oven safe. It's designed for optimal air circulation and is completely dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. If you prioritize durability, health-conscious materials, and the ability to use your cooling rack for baking and broiling, this is the ideal choice for a healthier lifestyle. What people say. The rack is sturdy and holds cakes well. It's easy to clean and doesn't rust. The size is perfect for most cakes. Number 3. Ultra Cuisine Quarter Sheet Pan with Wire Rack Set. Every kitchen needs this versatile baking sheet and wire rack set. It's perfect for baking, roasting, broiling, and so much more, offering endless culinary possibilities. Cleaning up is a breeze. The cooling rack is dishwasher safe, and the baking sheet is easy to hand wash. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. Crafted from durable, food-safe aluminum, this baking pan is warp and rust resistant. Its reinforced rim ensures professional baking results for a lifetime. Unlike others, our baking rack is made from 100% stainless steel, so you never have to worry about rust or flaking. It's dishwasher safe, oven safe, and built to last. Designed in Colorado, USA, this set empowers you to bake like a pro. Plus, receive a free recipe ebook with over 100 delicious recipes to get you started. What we like? This set includes both a premium aluminum baking sheet and a 100% stainless steel cooling rack, offering endless culinary possibilities. The rack is dishwasher safe, and the pan is designed to be warp resistant for professional baking results. If you're looking for a complete, high-quality baking and cooling solution that's easy to clean and built to last, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The rack is sturdy and doesn't bend under the weight of a large cake. It's easy to clean and doesn't rust. The grid pattern allows for even cooling and prevents condensation. Number 2. Nordic Ware Copper Round Cooling Grid. Introducing a gorgeous, copper-plated circular cooling grid. Its sturdy construction makes it beautiful enough for entertaining. This grid is perfectly sized to fit bundt cake layers and all your other baked goodies. It's an essential tool for any baker. Crafted from sturdy steel wire with a beautiful copper finish, it adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Use it to cool cakes, cookies, or anything you bake. Its generous 13-inch diameter provides ample space. While not for oven use, it's easy to hand wash. Enjoy the quality of this globally sourced baking essential. What we like. Featuring a gorgeous copper-plated finish, this round grid is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing enough for entertaining. Its sturdy construction is perfectly sized for bundt cakes and other treats. If you appreciate beautiful design and want a cooling rack that doubles as a serving piece for special occasions, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The rack is sturdy and doesn't bend under the weight of a large cake. It's easy to clean, even with sticky frosting. The grid pattern allows for even cooling and prevents condensation. Number 1. Lamoutor 2 PCS Metal Kitchen Baking Cooling Rack. Introducing our baking cooling rack, crafted from heavy-duty metal wire with a non-stick coating. It's designed to resist rust, ensuring long-lasting use in your kitchen. Each set comes with 2 racks, measuring 10 by 11 inches. This convenient size is ideal for a variety of culinary tasks. Featuring 4 raised, stable feet, these racks provide a secure placement on your countertop or in your oven. They are also incredibly easy to clean. This kitchen essential is perfect for baking, cooking, roasting, grilling, and broiling. Elevate your culinary creations with ease. We are here to help if you have any questions. Contact us for a satisfactory solution to ensure you love your new baking essential. What we like. This pack comes with 2 square, heavy-duty metal wire racks featuring a non-stick coating that prevents rust. Their stable feet ensure they stay put during use. If you need multiple racks for simultaneous cooling or baking tasks and prefer a simple, effective, and easy-to-clean solution, this 2-pack is an excellent value. What people say. It's a very sturdy rack and holds up well even with heavy cakes. The non-stick coating works great, nothing sticks to it, and it's easy to clean. The grid pattern allows for even cooling and prevents moisture buildup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.